Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our physical world? You've arrived at the perfect moment to uncover the mysteries of astral projection, so stay with us as we explore this fascinating realm together. Astral projection is a remarkable practice where your consciousness separates from your physical body, allowing you to explore new dimensions of existence. This is more than just a skill. It's an art that connects you to the deeper parts of yourself and the universe around you. Far from being science fiction, astral projection is a profound spiritual experience that people have practiced for centuries, enabling them to transcend physical limitations and uncover realms far removed from everyday reality. To begin your journey, it's crucial to understand the mental state required for successful astral projection, often called the hypnagogic state. This state lies between wakefulness and sleep, where your mind remains alert but relaxed, making it the ideal condition for astral travel. To reach this state, start by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and gradually relax every body part. Visualization is key. Picture yourself in a peaceful environment, completely at ease and ready to embark on your journey. As you enter a deeper state of relaxation, you may feel subtle vibrations. These vibrations are a natural part of the process, signaling that you're moving closer to the astral plane. It's important to remain calm and embrace these sensations. They sign that you're on the right path. Visualize this energy as a force helping to separate your astral body from your physical form. The vibrational stage is often described as a gateway to the astral plane, and understanding how to navigate it is key to a successful astral projection experience. Once you're comfortable with the vibrations, it's time to move on to the separation phase. This is where your astral body consciously separates from your physical one. There are several techniques to achieve this, but the ladder and doorway methods are the most popular. The ladder technique involves visualizing a ladder hanging above you. In your mind's eye, imagine reaching out with your astral arms and climbing the ladder step by step, moving further away from your physical body and closer to the astral realm. This technique is effective because it gives your mind a focused task, aiding the separation process. The doorway technique is another powerful method. Picture a door in your room, a door that represents the passage from the physical world to the astral plane. Visualize yourself getting up, walking towards the door, and stepping through it. As you pass through, you leave your physical body behind and enter the astral realm. Both techniques are designed to help your consciousness transition smoothly into the astral plane. Now you've achieved astral projection, congratulations. In this state, your consciousness can explore the astral plane, a realm of limitless possibilities. You might be in familiar settings like your home or entirely new and otherworldly landscapes. The astral plane is a place of incredible diversity, where time and space work differently, allowing you to explore in ways that are impossible in the physical world. As you journey through this ethereal realm, approach each experience with an open mind and a sense of curiosity. You may encounter other entities or astral travelers. These encounters can be profound and insightful, so approach them respectfully and kindly. Remember, your thoughts and intentions have immense power in the astral plane. Maintaining a positive mindset and clear intentions will lead to more enlightening and uplifting experiences. After exploring the astral plane, returning safely to your physical body is essential. This process is typically smooth and natural. Often you'll feel a gentle pull or drift back to your physical form. Some people describe it as a sensation of floating down or a gentle snap back into place. Allow this process to happen at its own pace without rushing or resisting it. As you return to your physical body, take a moment to breathe deeply and reacquaint yourself with your surroundings. Feel the bed or floor beneath you, listen to the sounds around you, and slowly open your eyes. This gentle transition helps ground your experience and brings you fully back to the present moment. Once you've returned, take some time to reflect on your journey. Many find it helpful to journal their experiences, writing down what you saw, felt, and learned. This practice helps you retain the details of your journey, but also aids in understanding and interpreting the deeper meanings and insights. The lessons and perspectives gained from astral projection can be profound, offering new insights into your life, relationships, and personal challenges. Integrating these insights into your daily life enriches your spiritual growth and aligns more closely with your true self and purpose. Astral projection is more than just a mystical experience. It's a pathway to deeper self-awareness, spiritual growth, and a broader understanding of the universe. Each time you practice, you deepen your connection to the cosmos and unlock new layers of understanding. Remember, the journey of astral projection is deeply personal and unique to each individual. Embrace your experiences, learn from them, and let them guide you on your spiritual path. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe for more content on spirituality, self-discovery, and the mysteries of the universe.